Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Inspect the cable, jack, and ear pads for wear or debris so sound stays clean and safe. Next, fit ear tips or cushions that seal without pain. A proper seal reduces required volume and preserves bass. Once done, set your source volume to about 60% or enable a built-in limiter. This prevents impulsive peaks. Make sure to test with familiar music at a modest level before moving on. You now adopt listening habits that protect hearing. Follow the 60/60 rule, use 60% volume for up to 60 minutes, then take a break. If you're in noisy environments, switch to active noise canceling or well-sealed headphones so you don't raise volume to unsafe levels. Also, make sure to use equalizer presets and app limiters to tame bass-heavy peaks that cause damage. Over time, these choices lower cumulative exposure and keep clarity without cranking levels. You finish by scheduling regular breaks. Rest your ears 10 to 15 minutes each hour and longer if you hear ringing or feel discomfort. If playback sounds weak, make sure connectors are clean, the cable is intact, and ear tips seal properly. Poor seal often mimics low volume. If you experience persistent pain, tinnitus, or distortion, stop using the headphones immediately and seek a technician or audiologist. This prevents further harm and identifies repairs or hearing issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.